Hi, I'm Clara, and I'm really happy you're here today. If you're learning English and you want to speak more naturally, don't forget to subscribe to my English Routine channel. It really helps you stay motivated. Today, we're talking about something very close to daily life, your habits. You'll hear words like routine, schedule, motivation, and balance in a real conversation. Some of them can feel confusing at first, but before we start, here's the question of the day. What does habit really mean in English? Stay with me, because by the end of the vocabulary review, you'll understand it clearly and feel confident using it. Now, follow Jack and let's jump in.
Hi, good evening.
You're here for the gym?
Yes, that's right. I want to check in.
Sure. Is this your membership card?
Yes, here it is.
Thanks. Okay, you're all set.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome. You come here pretty often.
Yeah, I try to. I usually come after work.
Around this time?
Yes, most days. I finish work at 5, then I come here.
That's a good routine.
I think so. If I go home first, I don't come back out.
I know that feeling.
My sofa has a strong pull.
It does that to people.
So you work here every evening?
Yes, I work the evening shift.
Every day?
5 days a week.
That's a lot.
I'm used to it now.
Being used to something really helps.
It does. Do you always work out the same way?
Almost. I like having a plan.
What do you usually start with?
I usually start with the treadmill.
For how long?
About 20 minutes.
That's good cardio.
I walk fast at first, then I jog a little.
Every time?
Most of the time. If I'm tired, I just walk.
Listening to your body is important.
Yes. Some days my legs say no jogging today.
That's honest feedback.
After that, I use the machines.
The weight machines.
Yes. I don't lift very heavy weights.
That's fine. Do you have a favorite machine?
I like the chest press.
Many people like that one.
It feels simple and clear.
Do you work out alone?
Yes, usually.
You don't come with friends?
No, I like to focus.
That makes sense.
I put on my headphones and follow my routine.
Music or podcasts?
Music. Fast music helps me move.
Same for me.
By the way, do you work out too?
Yes, but in the morning.
In the morning? That's impressive.
It's a habit now.
What time do you come?
Around 7.
Wow, at 7, I'm still thinking about breakfast.
I used to feel that way too.
How did you change that?
Slowly, I started with 2 days a week.
That sounds smart.
Small steps work better.
I agree. I try not to change too much at once.
Do you come here on weekends?
Sometimes, usually on Saturday.
In the morning or afternoon?
Afternoon. I sleep longer on weekends.
I think many people do.
My body likes extra sleep.
Do you ever skip the gym?
Yes, of course.
How often?
Maybe once or twice a week.
That's normal.
When I skip, I try not to feel bad.
That's a good attitude.
I tell myself I'll come back the next day.
And do you?
Most of the time, yes.
That's what matters.
After the workout, I stretch.
Do you stretch here or at home?
Here, if I wait, I forget.
Stretching is easy to forget.
True. Then I take a shower and go home.
Do you eat after the gym?
Yes, I usually eat dinner after.
Do you cook?
Yes, simple meals.
Like what?
Chicken, rice, vegetables.
That sounds healthy.
I try to keep it easy. If it's too hard, I stop doing it.
Habits need to be simple.
Exactly.
Do you drink enough water?
I try to. I carry a bottle with me.
That's a good habit.
If I don't see the bottle, I forget to drink.
Visual reminders help.
Yes. I also pack my gym bag in the morning.
Every day?
Yes. If I don't, I might skip the gym.
Planning helps a lot.
It really does.
How long do you usually stay?
About 1 hour.
That's a solid workout.
It fits well in my schedule.
Do you ever feel bored?
Sometimes. When that happens, I change one thing.
Like what?
A new playlist or a different machine.
Small changes can help motivation.
Yes, I need variety, but not too much.
Balance is important.
By the way, do you see many people quit after 1 month?
Yes, quite a lot.
Why do you think that happens?
They start too strong.
Too much, too fast.
Exactly.
I did that once.
Really?
Yes, I came every day for a week, then stopped for a month.
That happens to many people.
Now I prefer slow and steady.
That's a better habit.
I think so.
Are you going to work out now?
Yes, I don't want to lose momentum.
Fair enough.
Thanks for the chat.
No problem. Enjoy your workout.
I will. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
That conversation sounded very natural.
Yeah, it felt easy. Talking about habits fits the place.
You stayed relaxed and clear.
Thanks. Daily routines are good conversation starters.
Jack, before we wrap things up, I liked the conversation you just had. Maybe we can look back at some of the words you used.
Oh yeah, that sounds good. It actually helps me remember what I said.
Great. Let's start with something that came up very naturally. You talked about a routine.
Right. A routine is when you do the same things again and again, usually every day.
Exactly. It's not just one action, but a pattern.
Like my gym routine. I finish work, come here, use the treadmill, then the machines.
And that routine helps you stay consistent.
Yes, if I don't follow it, I feel a bit lost.
I like that. And you also used the word habit, which is close but a little different.
Yeah, a habit is more like one small thing you do often.
That's a good way to put it.
Drinking coffee every morning is a habit for me.
And your routine includes many habits together.
Oh, that makes sense when you say it like that.
Another word you used was schedule.
Right, that's when you plan your time.
Yes, it's about when things happen.
Like saying I work from 9 to 5, that's my schedule.
And having a clear schedule makes routines easier.
True, when my schedule changes, my habits change too.
You also said shift when you talked about work.
Oh yeah, a shift is the time you work, like morning or evening.
Exactly. You said Liam works the evening shift.
Yes, and I don't think I could do that. I'm more tired at night.
That's an honest reaction. Now, I remember you talked about being used to something.
Yes, that means something feels normal because you do it often.
Right. It doesn't feel new or difficult anymore.
Like going to the gym. At first it was hard, now I'm used to it.
That's a great example.
It shows how habits grow over time.
You also mentioned skip,
Oh yes, to skip something means not to do it.
even if it's part of your routine.
Exactly. Sometimes I skip the gym, but I try not to feel bad.
I liked that part. It sounded very realistic.
Thanks. Life is not perfect every day.
Another useful word was simple.
I use that word a lot.
You do, and it fits your habits.
Simple meals, simple workouts. If it's too complex, I stop.
That's a very practical idea.
Simple habits are easier to keep.
You also talked about planning,
Yes, planning is thinking ahead about what you will do.
like packing your gym bag in the morning.
Exactly. If I plan, I don't have excuses later.
I liked that strategy.
It saves me from arguing with myself in the evening.
That made me smile. Now, I also used motivation,
Right. Motivation is when you feel like doing something.
especially when energy is low.
Yes, changing my playlist helps my motivation.
That's a nice small change.
Big changes scare me a little.
Understandable. You also used balance,
Balance is when things are not too much and not too little.
like working out but also resting.
Yes, if I go too hard, I stop completely.
That's a very human experience.
Sadly, yes.
Before we finish, let's go back to the word we asked our viewers, habit.
Oh yeah, that one's important.
Habit means something you do regularly, often without thinking too much about.
Like brushing your teeth or checking your phone.
Exactly. At work, a habit can be checking emails every morning.
Or having a meeting at the same time every week.
At home, it can be watching TV after dinner.
Or reading before bed, like I do.
With friends, habits can be meeting on the weekend or calling often.
I always call my brother on Sunday. That's definitely a habit.
See? Habits are everywhere.
Yeah, once you notice them, you see them all the time.
Now, think about habits in your own life: work, home, free time.
Don't just repeat our examples. Think about your real day.
Exactly. Try to say them in simple English.
Small, real sentences are better than perfect ones.
If you want more conversations like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell.
Practice a little every day, notice your habits, and enjoy using English naturally.